Okay, on this teapot, it was just stainless steel. My husband spray painted it white, and then I painted with a brush the rose gold on top. Painted in the gingerbread, the house, added in the eyes, the nose, the mouth, added a little bit of red for the cheeks. Then I decided to add in a candy cane. So you'll put a little bit of shading up underneath the white areas and underneath the nose, shade out around the stomach and the legs, and I also shaded at the bottom of the white on the house and added some faux sprinkles. You can get the sprinkles on Etsy. I like to line around my edges. And then your icing on the gingerbread, I shaded my windows with orange, put lines around them, shaded the side of my sour apple colored bushes in front of the house. You'll notice I've got the word tea up there. I'm going to take that off. You'll see that at the end. I just painted over it. I decided to put in 2 little Debbie cakes instead. And I'll show you one of the little Debbie cakes. The other I put on the other side of the gingerbread just because it looked more balanced and I had extra room there. So it will depend on whatever you use as to whether you'll want 1 or 2 little Debbie cakes. That little peppermint there at the top, you highlight in the center, and I lined it out. Put some little gingerbread icing lines around the house. Added the extra snow here at the bottom, some red stripes on the little Debbie cake, and then I'll come in with the same sour apple green and put some little sprinkles on the tree. When we're all done with this, we're going to spray it with the clear outdoor sealer, and it's going to be ready to go. I also shaded with a little bit of that same gingerbread brown between the tree and the house to give it a little bit of division there. Just add in your little green, kind of small lines. And that's how it's looking so far. Now I'm going to take that lid. I'm going to put white paint around the top and then add in a few sprinkles to it as well. While your paint is wet, it'll stick perfectly, or you can use Mod Podge to hold your sprinkles on. I also did a little gingerbread icing around the edge. Added my faux sprinkles, and I have a really cute teapot. So I hope you enjoy making yours.